Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make steamed chicken leg with rice. And these are the ingredients you need. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 chicken leg, about 1 pound, and then 1 cup of rice. You need water, you need cooking wine, light soy sauce, salt, and I got half a cup of corn and half cup of green pea. Both are frozen. Okay, I am going to marinate the chicken leg first. So I'm going to poke some holes in it so it will get cooked faster, because we are cooking in a rice cooker, so just like that. You can use a knife if you like, but I'm using a scissor to cut some hole. Now I'm going to put in the ginger, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon cooking wine. And then just try to rub it in and let it rest for overnight or at least 1 hour so the flavor goes in. Okay, here I pour in 1 cup of rice, and now I pour in 1 cup of water, but I took out 1 tablespoon out so the rice will not be mushy. Okay, because the chicken leaks out water. And now I put in the green pea and the corn inside it, and I'm going to put in the steam basket. It's coming with the rice cooker when you buy it. And also I'm putting on the chicken on the top. Okay, my chicken leg has put in, so I'm going to cover it and push the button cook, and then once it pop up, it's been cooked. Don't do anything, just wait for 15 minutes before you eat, otherwise the chicken leg might not be fully cooked. The rice has been finished cooking and rest for 15 minutes. And this is the chicken leg. I can see it's cooked because it's shrinked. And then this is the rice, and the sauce of the chicken went down a bit. But if you want better color, I would put a little bit of either salt or soy sauce. It's totally up to you. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put some soy sauce. This is about 1 teaspoon. I don't want it to be too salty, just in case, but it's your own preference how much soy sauce you want to put in, okay? Now the rice look a little bit better, the color. And then this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.